Welcome to this short demonstration video of my Python implementation of bulls and cows. We see the game window here. We see in the main area 15 rows of 5 holes each. The active row is highlighted by a bright green dot, and the active hole is highlighted by a ring around it. With the mouse we can click and make a hole active. We can choose colors from the row in the top area here. For example, we can choose the first 5 colors. And then we submit. We see that we have made one guess so far. We see the feedback for the guess, which is 1 bull and 3 cows. So we have one color in the exact position. For example, we assume it's red. And we have 3 other colors which are present but not in the right position. For example, we can assume that it's the next 3 ones, yellow, blue and green. So we now choose another color, for example orange, which was not present in the first guess, and which basically is this color missing here. And then we choose the next 3 from the first guess and submit. Now we have still 4 colors present in the sequence, but no bull, which means red can't be in the first position. So let's, for example, assume that yellow is in the right position in the first guess, meaning yellow is the bull here. So we put yellow once again in the second position. Then we choose the color which we just introduced. We choose another color which was not present, namely brown, and then we fill up the guess with some permutation of colors which were also present in the first guess. So basically we assume that brown was missing in the first guess. When we do this, we get now only 3 cows, meaning yellow was not the bull in the first row, and also this does mean that orange is present in the secret sequence, because from the second to the third guess we omitted orange and we got worse here. So orange is present and brown is not. So let's assume that blue was the bull in the first guess. Now we know that orange must be present, so we put orange, for example, in the first position. It can't be in the second because there's no bull in this row. And now we fill up with some colors from the first guess, because we already had 4 cows here. So for example this combination, and it just happens to be right. So we have now 4 bulls and we have won the game. We get the appropriate message. Also we see the game time here, the elapsed time for each secret sequence. We can restart, which resets the game time and also the number of guesses. It's now another secret sequence. We can, for example, now choose another first guess, whatever. And in this case, we would have 2 bulls and 2 cows. If we are stuck at some point, we can use autoplay, which finishes by guessing and getting feedback and guessing again stochastically until it finds the solution. And we can do this also right from the start. For example, for the secret sequence here, autoplay needed 5 guesses, 5 rounds. We can start again, and in this case autoplay already had the solution after 3 guesses. So that's basically it. We can restart, we can use autoplay, and we of course can submit our own guesses, get feedback, and try to solve the bulls and cows game. So that's it for the short demonstration. As I said, I will post the explanations of the code on Hashnode and the code itself on GitHub. And thank you for your attention.